Welcome to American English with Sushil.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're going to learn something really useful, how to take a taxi in English. We'll go step by step. First, we'll call a taxi from home. Then we'll go to the mall, do a little shopping, enjoy a quick coffee break, and finally, we'll take another taxi back home. So, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say when taking a taxi, from start to finish. Let's get started.
lang.
Hi, is there a taxi available near Green Street, close to Maple House?
Yes, miss. A driver is available. Where would you like to go?
I need to go to City Mall around 10 a.m. Can you send one now?
Sure. A taxi will be there in about 5 minutes. The driver's name is Ryan, and the car is yellow with a roof sign.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll be waiting by the gate.
You're welcome. He'll call you when he arrives.
Great. I'm ready.
Hello, Emma. I'm Ryan, your driver. I've called you.
Yes. Hi, Ryan. Thank you for coming.
No problem. Please get in. Would you like help with your bag?
Yes, please. That would be great. Thank you.
Where in City Mall are you going? The main entrance or the new wing?
The main entrance, near the food court.
All right. It's about 20 minutes now. Is it okay if I take the highway, or would you prefer the scenic route?
The highway is fine. I'd like to arrive a bit earlier.
Perfect. I'll start now. How long will you be at the mall today?
Maybe 2 hours. I have to buy a gift and pick up a few things.
Sounds nice. Do you work nearby?
No, I'm a student. I have a project to deliver next week.
That's great. Good luck with your project.
Thank you. By the way, how much will the trip cost approximately?
Around 220 rupees to the main entrance, depending on traffic.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you for letting me know.
We're here, ma'am. City Mall main entrance.
Thank you so much.
That'll be $10.50, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you. Have a lovely time shopping.
I will. Thanks again. Excuse me. Could you show me this blue bag, please?
Sure, here it is. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. How much is this one?
It's 1,200 rupees.
It's lovely, but a bit expensive. Could you give a discount?
I can give you 1,000 rupees if you pay cash.
That works for me. I'll take it. Thank you.
Would you like a gift bag?
Yes, please. That would be great. Excuse me, may I order a coffee and a sandwich, please?
Certainly. Would you like hot or iced coffee?
Hot, please, and a chicken sandwich, no onions.
Noted. Anything to drink with that?
Just water, thank you.
I'll bring it right away. Here's your coffee and sandwich. Enjoy.
Thank you very much.
Would you like the bill now or after?
After, please. I'll finish my coffee. Excuse me, is there a taxi stand here?
Yes, the taxi stand is near the east exit.
Useful. Is there a taxi stand, or can you call a taxi for me?
Sure, ma'am.
Welcome back. Ready to go home?
Yes, please. Take me to Green Street, Maple House.
Sure. Did you have a good day?
Yes, I bought a nice bag and practiced lots of English.
That's wonderful. Speaking with shopkeepers and waiters helps a lot.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Perfect. We're almost there.
Thanks again for the safe ride.
Here we are. Green Street, Maple House.
Thank you so much, Ryan. That was perfect.
The total comes to $12.75, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
You're welcome. Have a lovely evening.
Thank you so much. Today, we practiced real English for taxi rides, how to call a taxi, what to say inside, how to ask about the fare, and how to thank the driver politely. Let's quickly repeat some of today's key phrases together. Please take me to City Mall, main entrance. How much will the fare be? Could you take the highway, please? Thank you so much. Have a great day. Great job. Keep practicing these sentences every day with taxi drivers, shopkeepers, and waiters. Real conversations make your English stronger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Your support really helps this channel grow. I'll see you in the next video. Keep speaking confidently and keep shining. Bye!